5 visits you think I'd finally be able to get on it, but if it's closed today I'll be so pissed. That's okay, we'll find out if that ride is open or closed. Moment of truth. Please be open. It better not be. 5 visits. And finally, we're getting on this ride. Woo. Need to get one over there comes up out of the hole. Oh yeah.
Now, keep an eye out for our 2 Parasaurolophuses, one of which is usually quite shy.
A flood warning is in effect for the Outpost B area. You're both to proceed back to the unload area immediately. We have a breach of the retaining fence at Outpost B. Begin Outpost B evacuation immediately. Attention all Jurassic Park guests. Stay above and away from the electrified section. Help will be on the way shortly.
Oh, it's pretty fast.
Oh, got me! Oh, got me! Oh!
Got me!
god! Oh my god!
That was a lot more.
Oh, no way! Yeah, Jurassic Park. May have got a little wet on that ride. Maybe. Not 100% sure. That's okay. Might have got a bit wet on the Jurassic Park ride. Just saying. Not too wet, just a little wet. Can I wring my socks out? Yeah, I've just washed them. It's not that bad. You just get soaked.